Hey there folks, welcome. Thanks for joining us. It is the 6th of June. I'm just doing a few things in the studio here. Bring you up to speed. Yeah, we just got some T-balls here which recently I made, and they're just drying off here. Yeah. Yeah, so these are trimmed and sealed. They're finished from a making point of view. Over here, I've just got a few pots to show you. I do have some pots actually available, although I may not be always very up to speed getting them up on the site. We have been having internet issues now for some time, till eventually we got Verizon cut us off, so I didn't have any internet at all here for 2.5 weeks. But that's just excuses, because I haven't been uploading videos from home here for literally years, because the internet is just so slow. Yeah, just to show you here some small these are just Hakami type bowls. I'm actually in the process of making some of these, which we'll go inside in a moment and do. And then my usual foxglove tankards. These are actually 45 a piece, and plus $15 shipping. If you're interested, just get in touch and we can sort you out with a tankard. Let me know your address and zip code. We may just have to adjust the price just a little bit, just according to what the shipping is. But yeah, these came out of the last firing, quite nice. It's just a sort of just a selection of some of the different sort of mug designs that we do have. Cone 10 fired in reduction, propane fired, in my converted kiln, which you've seen. Usual one. Okay, so that's those. Get in touch with me if any of them grab you. Over here, I'm just making some of those bowls. So let's do that. I'm just going to get this tripod a little higher. That'll do. Yeah, I don't feel like I've uploaded a video for forever, for quite a while. Although I have put up some of them shorts I was doing at one time. Done a few of them. So hopefully the light is not too... Sometimes the light is a problem. Yeah, we'll do our best. Alright, there we go. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully the battery will last for... Oh yeah, I've actually done this one. I don't think I cut him off actually. It helps if you cut them off, doesn't it? That's for sure. Okay. We'll put him over there. These are 14 ounces. Weighted clay. Yeah, we're in the middle of a drought here, pretty much. Here in the northeast, around these parts anyway, it hasn't rained for at least a month, so everything is exceedingly dry. And yeah, quite serious actually. You better get some rain soon. Okay, so this is a bowl shape, so we're thinking about the inside of the form. pretty much with bowls, you're a bit more concerned about the inside form than the outside, because the outside is going to be trimmed, so you're going to alter that anyway. But the inside form you're not going to be trimming, so you want to get that right. You know, you want a nice continuous curve. No corners, you know. I mean, these are really sort of decorative bowls, really, I guess. Sort of not like a general purpose, like a GP bowl, exactly. But they could be. I mean, you know, there's no reason on earth why you couldn't use one. Eat your rice out of, you know, with your chopsticks. However you eat rice. Okay. So these, the way we get these off, because of the form, they're easy to get off. You basically just cut through like that, and then you can just go, and it comes straight off. No problem. So, we'll do another one. Let's see if we can get a different angle on it. Let's try this angle. I don't often do it from this angle, but just to see what it comes out like. Yeah, we've got to go to Mud Flat Studio in Boston. Got to drive up there on the 14th. Got to be up there on the 15th at the studio there with Tomu Hamada. We're doing a joint get together, something that we've done several different times in the past. So yeah, we're going to be there at the Mud Flat Studio on the 15th. That's on a Thursday. So yeah, if you're around those, in that neck of the woods, stick your nose in. Da, da, dee, da. Yeah, it's going to be a bit of a drive, but yeah. Of course, I had the tyres changed on the car, thinking, because they were a little bit worn, wearing a little bit worn unevenly, and I thought it'd be a good idea to get them changed. So I got them changed, and as soon as I got them changed, I realised that we had a wheel bearing that was going as well. So I've had to order a wheel bearing. I've got to get that done before I leave. There's always something, isn't there, with cars? Always something. Okay, so I'm just concentrating here, getting the inside. I'm using my mirror. If you haven't yet discovered the mirror, get onto it right away, because it's the best thing since sliced bread. If you like sliced bread. Okay, so there it is, and now we take the twisted cut-off wire. We sell these, by the way, straight through like that, and now we can lift him straight off. Okay, put him down over here on the board. There's barely enough room on my board, and yeah, just got him on there. Leaves me two more to do. Okay. Yes. Yes. So yeah, just a little quick. So very soon these will be ready to be flipped over, and the bottom's dried, and then we'll be trimming them before you can say Jack Robinson. Yeah, yes, a bunch of mugs here on the table, as you can see, some more tea bowls. Yeah, so these are just, they've been there drying, they're just awaiting. They're going to be, put a glaze on those, probably do that tomorrow. Oh, where's my cup of tea? I thought I had a cup of tea around here somewhere. Oh, I finished it. Here's another design of a different design of mug with sort of semi-glazed halfway down. Wood ash. This one's is a second, of course. You know, I use all the seconds, all the cracked ones. We potters, we tend to use, don't we? All right. Well, there it is. Just a quick video, just to keep you up to speed with what is going on. If you're interested in coming on a workshop, June workshop, which is, check my website, somewhere around the 24th, 25th, I think, June. I've got space on that workshop for about 3 people. So if that grabs you and you want to come along, get in touch. Plus, July and August is pretty packed out at the minute. September, October, November, lots of space there too. Okay folks, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Just to give you an update what I'm doing, what's going on. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing. We'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dee, 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 dee.